myself Pushpanjali Khan, Assistant Professor of Environmental Science, Bibura College, Guwahati. Me along with my co-author Manvit Mohanto, Assistant Professor of MBA Department, Guwahati Commerce College, we are going to present an international seminar in one-day interdisciplinary international conference on sustainable development and environmental issues that is organized by Mandesh Mahavidyalaya Junoni, Tal Sangola, Solapur, Maharashtra, India, that will be held on 7th June 2020 on Sunday. Now the topic of my seminar paper is COVID-19 and its impact on environment and entertainment industry with special reference to India. So the introduction part. COVID-19 has stepped its foot in the month of December 2019 from the seafood market of Wuhan city in China. Initially, it was believed that it is a combination of both SARS and MERS. The first case in India was reported on 30 January 2020. Till 2nd of June in 2020, more than 64,70,000 people got infected from the disease in the world and almost 3,80,000 people died. In India, the total number of people infected till the date is 2,07,615, and out of which 5,815 people died. COVID-19 impacts on global health, global economy, global trade and industry, global environment, etc. The paper is mainly focusing on the impact of COVID-19 on environment and entertainment sector. So the objectives are: first, to find out the positive and negative impacts of COVID-19 on environment. Second, to find out the positive and negative impacts of COVID-19 on entertainment sector. The methodology part is like that. The study is exploratory in nature. The data has been collected from secondary sources which include journal articles, books, websites, etc. The above required data has been gathered from relevant sources from the year 2010 onwards. Since COVID-19 is an ongoing issue, hence most of the journals and news articles used as secondary source are from the year 2020 only. The study is purely qualitative in nature. Now the impact of COVID-19 on environment. First of all, the positive impacts are like that. First, decrease in greenhouse gas emission due to reduction of the number of private cars, public transport, etc. on the road releases lesser amount of harmful gases like oxides of nitrogen, particulate matter, etc. in the environment. During the phase, carbon pollution decreases by 17% in the world and by 26% in India during peak time of pandemic, according to the article published in the Economic Times. Second, reduction in noise pollution. Many industries were closed down and also the cars on the streets disappeared during the peak time. In the cities, due to no honking of horns, the beautiful chirping of birds can be heard distinctly. The third positive impact is reduction in water and air pollution due to the close down of many factories in the initial days of pandemic. Releasing of sewage, chemicals and other waste materials to the water body as well as emission of polluted gases to the air decreased. Many cities in India recorded over 60% drop in air pollution levels. Long-term exposure to particulate matter 2.5 leads to higher cases of COVID-19. As per the study of IIT Delhi, the country has witnessed 43%, 31%, 10% and 18% decrease in particulate matter 2.5, particulate matter 10, carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide levels during the lockdown period. Particulate matter 2.5 had a maximum reduction in most regions. Number 4, cleaner sea beaches. Due to the social distancing rule imposed by government, notable changes in the sea beaches can be seen. Beaches like Acapulco of Mexico, Barcelona of Spain or Salinas of Ecuador look cleaner and crystal clear. Number 5, changing beauty of art. The beauty of the art is increasing with the clear sky, more greenery and many beautiful animals and birds, making its presence felt through its appearance in the human habitat areas, the dance of the peacock on the Kharegat Parsi colony area of Mumbai, and the appearances of dolphins and swans into the canals and waterways of Italy was proving the changes that took place in the global environment due to lockdown. Now the negative impacts of COVID-19 are: first, increase in household and medical waste. In city areas, people are using the online services for food as well as other household things, results in increased household waste materials. Medical waste materials have also increased due to heavy use of hand gloves, PPE kits, masks, etc. Finding out PPE kits in garbage making headlines, according to the article published in Times of India. Second, man-animal conflicts increasing in some places. Herd of elephants destroying agricultural fields face off with the leopards were some of the news come out during lockdown period. Total 4 leopards were killed in Jorhat and Golaghat district of Assam during the lockdown period. In Madhya Pradesh, 13 people were killed in a period of 3 weeks by wild animals. Now the impacts of COVID-19 on entertainment sector. The positive and negative impacts are like that. First, coronavirus impacts 60 million livelihoods of 10 million people directly associated with the industry and another 50 million people indirectly associated through allied sectors like food and beverages, hospitality, tourism, advertising and marketing industry. Due to the cancellations of all major events, conferences, both public and private, national or international meetings, incentives, conferencing, exhibitions, events, the livelihood of these people are in risk. Second, close down of cinema halls. Release of many big budget films were postponed like Rohit Shetty's big budget film Suryavanshis. Tiger Shroff starring movie Bagi 3 released on 6th March got hit in the second week. In the post-lockdown period, footfall in the cinema hall is also going to decrease by 50%. Due to congestion of release, many small budget films are going to suffer to get a release date. Third, opportunities for OTT platforms. Chris Hemsworth starring Hollywood movie Extraction and Irfan Khan starring movie Angrezi Medium was put out of theatre and released on OTT platforms like Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar, Amazon Prime, etc. In near future, streaming platforms will become a primary source of revenue for film industry. Number 4, increase in television viewership. Viewership of television increased by 60% according to AC Nielsen. Doordarshan has also broadcasted popular shows like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bunyat, Vyomkesh, Bakshi, etc. Doordarshan became the most viewed channel in the initial few weeks of pandemic. Is almost 650% increase in the viewership. Number 5, close down of live concerts. Due to the close down of live concerts for an indefinite period, the future of the musicians singers are in stake. Musicians and singers are now migrating from Mumbai to their own states. Now the popular singers, musicians are busy in Instagram Live, Facebook Live, etc. and also busy in providing online tutorial classes as an alternative way of earning their livelihoods. Number 6, increase in creation and home productions. Songwriters, composers, singers are coming up with their creative works during the lockdown period. Beauty of the nature is inspiring them to create new creative works, active more on social media and coming up with new hopes and creations, releasing their works on YouTube, Facebook, etc. platforms. Thus, I am going to conclude my paper like that. COVID-19 is proving to be one of the most dangerous pandemic situations that impact the entire human race of the world. Until and unless an effective vaccine is developed, following the social distancing and cleanliness measures is going to be the mantras for people. The mindset that people related to entertainment industry are migrating to Mumbai for a better future might change. Internet is going to be the main medium for sharing the creative works in future. People will become more aware of the environmental issues in the post-lockdown period. Maybe the big leaders of the world could find some ideas out of the situation to control the pollution level in future to make the world a better place to live. Thank you.